Welcome to casaGeoTools. Let's get you started in 60 seconds. I'm Taisin, your avatar, and I'll show you around. First, install the library directly via pip. Just open your terminal and run pip install casaGeoTools. To access the services, you'll need your credentials. Simply visit casageo.de and send us an inquiry. If you're new here, we offer a one-time trial to get you started immediately. Now let's see it in action. Once you have your access, you can run your first Isochrones request with just a few lines of code. The magic happens here. The results are returned directly as a native pandas GeoDataFrame. No manual JSON parsing, no complex setup. Your location data is instantly ready for analysis in your Python environment. For a step-by-step guide and to download these scripts, see the detailed description in our academy. Visit casageo.de to learn more.